Evening, everyone. It's a few minutes after 6 on Monday the 4th, and this is your closing comment. It's video number 963, and I'm going to try and keep these a little shorter. Okay, so today we were particularly ugly yet again, with the NASDAQ leading the ugliness in a big way. The FANG stocks in particular, not a single one of my mega cap stocks were up, with the one notable exception, Tesla, which reported record-breaking delivery numbers, and the stock closed 781.53, up 653, or about 1%. It was a little higher, but the market finally took a toll even on that one. The other one that was up was XENE, the one that I mentioned this morning with the epilepsy drug. This morning when I talked, it was up about $10 in the low 20s. It managed to finish the day 31.50, up 15.90, or 102%. Facebook was the leading culprit, on top of the fact that the 60 Minutes show was on last night with the whistleblower. It also had a worldwide outage on Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. So that added to the problem. Marvell, Marvell Tech, the semiconductor maker, said that they felt like it was going to be late next year before the chip shortage was cleared up. The Dow was down 323.54, or just 0.9%. The NASDAQ was down 311 and a quarter, down 2.14. That was the leader on the downside by a wide margin. The S&P also did not escape, down 56.58, or 1.3%. The Russell was down 24.16, or 1.08%, and the best performer of the day was the Dow Jones Transports, which was only down $40.71, or 0.3%. The VIX was up $1.81, or 8.56. So it has not gotten excessive on the upside, but it is managing to hang over the $20 area. As far as commodities, energy, which was one of the very few groups that was up pretty much across the board. As you can see, the oil was up $1.74. It's just reopened again tonight, so it's down about 3 cents, but nothing spectacular there. The gold was 1767.60. That was up 9.20. It's up another $2 here. It was kind of an interesting day. It was, as I mentioned last night, it was up when I went to sleep. It was down when I woke up. It went further down, right into the support, right onto the 5-day moving average. The low was 1474.70, and we closed pretty much right on the high at 1767. Pardon me, 67. And as I said, tonight we're slightly higher, up about $2. Bitcoin managed to get all the way back to 50,000. That does not take it out of the woods, in my view, but it was pretty strong. It reopened a few minutes ago, and it is a little bit lower on very light volume. It's kind of early in the evening session, but as you can see, it extended off Friday's gain. It's right into this area of what I consider to be pretty severe resistance. I'll give you a little bit of a look at that for context. This is exactly where it broke to the downside after that 53,000 on the top, 43,000 on the bottom day back here in August, early August. But it is trying to bottom here, so we'll have to see how that works out. The dollar was down 27 cents and bonds were down 1/4 point. So there you go. I will say that we had a couple of new futures traders in Dennis's metals only trading account, and they did really nicely today, getting long around 1751 and getting out in the neighborhood of $10 or $12 higher than that, $10 higher than that. So there you go. If you have an interest, please give me a call or email me, and I will send you his information. We are right up against the edge of how many accounts we can actually handle. Have a good evening. I'll be back first thing in the morning.